Hello everyone, welcome to our channel ST Brothers.
Today we are going to teach you how you make animate video from your mobile within a minute. Open Google Chrome and search Animate Adobe Express from your mobile. And after a second it will open page menu. From here you can choose different character to make animate video. And you can also change the background from here. And click on size to adjust size of animate video. You can also upload image from your gallery. Now click on record and record your voice or upload audio. 3, 2, 1, go! It will take a few seconds to process your video. Wait for a second. Now video is ready. So it's time to save or share your video to different social media like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, anywhere as you want. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.